Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to recover your AOL account if you forgot the password. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for AOL Mail and click on this first website over here. Now enter your username. Now click on next. Now since we do not know our password, click on forget password. Here we'll get a code to be verified. Click on send code. Now enter the new password and click on continue. So now we are in AOL Mail interface. So this is it. This is how we can recover our account if we forgot the password. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.